Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another tutorial for you guys. This is a short gele tutorial I made for you guys. This gele is from Instagram and it's very simple to tie. So I saw this gele. Normally people are using one color for that. I decided to use two colors to see how the outcome will look like, and it came out looking very beautiful. So what I did here is a 70-30 system. I pleated the first one, then the second one on top of it. That is all the work you need to do here. Then the second work is to twist both gele. After you twist the yellow one, you twist the red. After twisting, then you twist both of them together, then you cross it over to the other side. That is all. This gele is very beautiful. You tie it at the back, whichever way you want to tie it, and that is all. This gele is very beautiful. You can rock it anywhere. So guys, this gele is a very short one. This is how the back look like. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and remember to click on the notification bell up there to get notification anytime I upload a new video. My old subs, thank you so much for being there, for being so supportive. I appreciate and I love you guys. Remember to share this video, thumb up, and drop your comments. If there is anything you don't understand about this tutorial, drop it on the comment section. I'm there to always reply to your comments. So thank you guys. New video coming soon. I love you guys. Bye.